Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Power off the controller and remove the AA or battery pack before starting. Work on a clean surface and keep track of 3 screws under the battery cover. Use a T8 and T6 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and isopropyl alcohol 90%. Remove the 4 exterior screws and then pry the shell using gentle pressure. Keep ribbon cables away from sharp edges when splitting the halves. Organize screws by length to avoid reassembly mistakes. This preparation prevents damage and saves time during the repair. Open the controller carefully using the T8 and T6 screwdrivers. Gently lift the joystick module and clean the potentiometer with 90% alcohol. Rotate the stick while applying alcohol to dissolve grime and oil buildup. Let parts dry for at least 10 minutes before reassembly to avoid shorts. If drift remains, replace the joystick module with a compatible replacement part. Use OEM or high-quality third-party modules for longevity. Secure the new module with the original solder points or the provided screws. Reassemble the controller carefully and confirm all ribbon cables are seated correctly. Calibrate sticks in the Xbox Accessories app after reassembly to restore accurate input. If drift persists, replace the joystick module with OEM or high-quality third-party part. Test inputs with the D-pad and both thumbsticks before closing the shell fully. Reassemble and test with 3 games to confirm consistent performance under real use. If problems continue, consider professional repair or warranty service to avoid further damage. Store the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.